My name is Ballesteros Kevin Jacob, BSIT 4th year. We are the BAM, Group 3, in Arduino Uno project under Dr. Earl Albina.
Hi, my name is Mark Andrew Gentio Ocampo, Group 3 in Arduino Uno project under Dr. Earl Albina.
Good day everyone, I'm Lina Sandara, third year BSIT student. And we are the Group 3, the BAM, in Arduino Uno project under Dr. Earl Albina.
Good day everyone, my name is Erico Morales Bato, 4th year and BSIT student. And we are the Group 3, the BUMP, in Arduino Uno project under Dr. Earl Albina. Define the pin of RECV pin 11. IR receive or IR receive is define RECV pin as infrared receiver. For the decode results, define variable results to save the result of infrared receiver. And for the void setup, we have serial that begin 9600. Configure the baud rate is equal to 9600. IR receive that enable that IR in boot infrared decoding, and for the void loop, test if receive decoding data and save it to variable results. If IR receive that decode and results, print data received in a hexadecimal serial that print ln result that value hex. IR receive that resume, wait for the next signal.